So you guys want to bring my sister and tell her to crack my back. So you guys, first let me get some noodles or something. Oh no, I call my dog. She can snitch. My mom's here. Okay, sure. Let's find something. I'm gonna do it to my mom actually. It tastes disgusting. But yeah, I'm gonna do it to my little sister. Let's go. Tari! Tari, come here. Tari, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Tari, can you crack my back like this? Kind of like that? Real quickly, please.
Wait, is this?
That's my binder. Can you just please crack it for me? Ah!
I'm sorry.
What a prank.
Seriously, stop!
Absolutely disgusting.
Whip got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even.
They got like a Gucci in the bars with the team. I ain't going back to Gucci. I ain't Gucci, I'm a Gucci. Cause I stay.
So you guys want to bring my sister and tell her to crack my back. So you guys, first let me get some noodles or something. Oh no, I call my dog. She can snitch. My mom's here. Okay, sure. Let's find something. I'm gonna do it to my mom actually. It tastes disgusting. But yeah, I'm gonna do it to my little sister. Let's go. Tari! Tari, come here. Tari, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Tari, can you crack my back like this? Kind of like that? Real quickly, please.
Wait, is this?
That's my binder. Can you just please crack it for me? Ah!
I'm sorry.
What a prank.
Seriously, stop!
Disgusting. Hey guys, I'm Forever Come. I'm back with another video. Today we're about to be doing a whole bunch of pranks on my family and stuff. They cracked my back. So let's go upstairs to get the noodles. I'll just walk into the kitchen. Yeah? She is? No, she isn't.
Yes, she is. She's outside with Curry. Well, I just think you said
No, she isn't. That's his car, but they went somewhere.
I just was talking to her.
No, you were not.
I swear I was.
Okay, I believe you. Just. Where'd you guys come from?
From the dumpster. They tried to take us and put us in the dumpster.
Yeah, they sure did.
See that?
Guys, I got the prank ready. So guys, let's go. So I go to my room. Sorry that the lights are off. YouTube video so much. Still gonna be talking. I'm gonna hide. Putting it under my pillow. They're little noodles. They taste disgusting. I already did one on my little sister, so check that out in the video. And I'm giving people shout outs, guys. So let's do that in the end of the video, guys. Or let's do it in the middle, kind of. It doesn't matter. My floor's clean.
So hey
So guys, she fell for
I'm
my prank.
vlogging on my guy's phone. The quality is trash. I miss.
Okay.
It's not as good as
So she fell for the prank because she stopped the video. She said, "Why are you recording me?" And then unpaused it and took my camera. But yeah, she fell for the prank. So next one, I did to Hari. She said I broke my back. Did you hear that cracking sound?
Why would I really think that you broke your back?
Now let me ask Daddy to do it. Let's go back in the room. Get my noodles. I'm gonna start not filling my mouth that much. I have my leg on there. I'm gonna start putting one on each side. Okay. So let's go.
Everybody eat, right?
Yeah.
Alright, look. We're gonna,
You crack my. Can you massage my back? Please, Daddy.
we're gonna play for a little while.
Massage my back.
Huh?
Massage my back.
Massage your back? What you mean? I don't
Ow!
understand.
You hurt my back.
I hurt your back. What's wrong with you?
You fell for my prank.
It's a prank?
Uh-huh.
Sorry. Oh. That was a corny prank. Let's try it again. From the top.
I'm good.
Okay.
Disgusting. And my next one is my grandmother. It's hard because she's in her room. So she like... So I'll take my boot off. Because my boot makes a loud sound. Just to help me walk. But let me just... It's the worst day to wear a boot, you know? Because my little sister fell for a prank. I'm going to record that video now. So she had left. Let me show my mom.
No, you're not. Mommy sleep. You're not pranking her. You bugging. I'm serious. Bugging.
No, just massage my back.
No.
Why?
How long?
This massage really could complete this. My back's aching.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe we just do it really quickly.
Down.
A little bit up.
What is that? That's your back cracking? You hear that cracking now?
What is that though?
I don't know. You working on her back. Is that her back like making a noise? Why'd you make that funny noise? Wow. Your daughter's she's a weird one. She's a weird one.
Okay, we're a prank. You can make me laugh.
Yeah.
So guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to me a bit. Sorry. So right now, I'm gonna be showing out the winners of the shout out. So guys, don't forget to comment down below if you want a shout out or something. Comment down below. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm about to pause the video to show the winners. So let's go. So don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.